In this lecture, we will see how to create a 3D practice exercise 2. You can see here 3D view, here elevation view, side view and top view. If you look from this side, that is elevation view. You can see this face and this face. You can see here this is the face. Next you can see these two face, that is this face. Then this is side view. If you look from this side, you will get it this face. And inside this one you cannot see that one, we can make it in hidden line. Then if you look from top, you can see this one first, this face, and next this face. You can see here this one. If you look from top, you will get it like this. This is our length 80 mm. This is our length 80 mm this side. Width is this one, that also 80 mm. Height is that also 80 mm. Go to here, go to the new and select here 3D practice, what we created the template. Select this one, then click open directly. You will get it here, all the layers and text, this title block, everything you will get it. Go to the model and select here southeast and select here top. You will get it like this. Then go to the box, select here box, click any location, go to the length, make it here 80, then press enter. 80, then press enter. Make it height also 80, then press enter. Select this one. You can make it here layer, just make it here 0 layer. Next we need to make it this area and this area, we need to cut and remove. This one you can see here 25 and 25. Go to here, go to the rectangle, click any location. Before that you have to change here layer, make it 0 layer, that is very important. 0 layer or any other layer you can make it. Go to the rectangle, click any location, then select here dimension, make it 25, then press enter. 25, then press enter. Click here. Next we need to cut and remove this location, that is 50 into 30. You can see here length is 50 and width is 30. 50 30, just go to here, go to the rectangle, click any location, make it dimension, it is 50, then press enter. 30, then press enter. You can see here x direction, that is our length, y direction, that is our width. Select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and place it here. Select this one, go to the move command, click this midpoint and place it here. Then go to the press pull, select this press pull tool, click here and click here, then click here and click here, press escape key, select this one, delete it. Next we need to make it this one. You can see here this one, we need to place it from this location 25 and this location 25. Just go to here, go to the copy edges, select here copy edges, select this one, click this one, press enter, click here, place it like this 25, then press enter, press escape key, again go to the copy edges, we need to make it then bottom 25, select this one, press enter, click here, make it like this 25, then press enter. Then go to the line tool, click this endpoint and click this endpoint, press escape key, go to the press pull, click here, make it like this, you will get it this one, press escape key, select this all the lines, delete it. Now we got this product, we need to arrange here in layout, go to the layout, go to the layout tab, go to here create view base, select here this drop down from model space, click here, press enter, click here and click here and click here, again press enter, you will get it this one. You can see here scale 1:1, just go to here, select this one, click here, you can make here 1:1 scale, already it is 1:1 scale. Select this one, go to here edit view and select here shaded with visible lines. Now you can see here. Next, we can create dimensions and all. Already you know how to create linear dimensions and all. Same the way you can create. I just show you only one example. Just go to here, select your dimension layer, then select here linear. We can make this dimension. Click here and click here, place it like this. Select this one, go near to this grip, continue dimension, click here and click here, press escape key. You can see here you will get it like this comma. If you want to make it dot, you can go to here dimension style, select this one, manage dimension style, then go to the modify. Then if you go to here primary units, you can make here, select here period, then click OK, select this one and set current and close it. You will get it that one like this. Then go to the linear again, click here and click here, place it like this. Now you can see it is not associated with the proper point. Select this one, delete it, again go to the linear, just go near to this, you will get it endpoint. Then you can click here this endpoint and place it like this. Select this one, go to the move command, select this also and go to the move command, slightly adjust this one little bit like this. Select this one, go to the move command again, slightly adjust this one this side also. Similar way you can create other all the dimensions, same dimension, same linear only. We can change here, we need to make it here 2 and here also make it here 2 and here also. Go to here, make it this drawing number. I just make here this drawing number 2. This is practice exercise. Double click this one, make it like this 2, then click OK. And here also it is sheet number 2, then click OK. And we need to make it here scale. You can select here also, you can see all the thing. You can see this is tag number, this is prompt. If you want to change this job number, you can select this one and you can change it here. Which one you want, you can change here. I just need to change the scale, select the scale, make it 1:1, then click OK. Now it is created everything perfectly. If you want to print this drawing, you can go to the Control P, or you can select here print. This all the thing keep as it is, then click OK. You can go to the location. We need to make it axis number 2, make it here axis number 2, then save it. It will save. If you go to the desktop and if you select the location and select this one, you can see the drawings.